This game is played by an AI. Specifically, it uses a technique in reinforcement learning called deep Q learning, where the agent is given a state of the environment to explore. In our case, it's the car game. Then, as the agent explores, it gives a Q value for each action, which is a kind of vector that represents the most probable action. Based on these Q values, an action is taken on the environment. If the action is good enough, a positive reward is given to the agent, or else a negative one. This works in an iterative setup where the agent continuously learns from the environment. The agent is given a little information from the environment, like the distance between the car and the objects, and the information about the sites. Based on this information, the agent learned pretty good representation, like not sticking to the sites more often, which reduces the possibility of getting rewards, and to switch sides as the obstacles increases in one side. The agent can be built using several architectures. A convolutional neural network, for example, can be employed to learn rich information from environments using raw pixels. But since I cannot run a whole complex CNN on my system locally, I have used a simple feed forward neural network for this project. The network is given a vector of information about the distance, the relative position of the car, etc. And the network predicts a Q value for each action in the overall action space. The action in which the Q value is highest is taken. After a few games, the AI learned to avoid the obstacles, and after a few more, it learned to grab as many as collectibles. Reinforcement learning is a widely used field in robotics and even in ChatGPT that we are using in our day to day life. It is one of the fascinating fields in machine learning and AI to build intelligent systems and explore the complex physical nature of different environments.